Yo, I'm Marty right now. Yeah, I'm 6 feet something.
We're almost the same height.
Just gonna get in my car. I mean, I'm gonna push my seat back.
All the way.
All the way.
Literally, my seat's all the way back. Look at this. Yep. No room.
God, I just love being tall, being able to pick apples off trees. Wash the top of my car without a ladder. You touch the rim of the basketball, hoop without jumping.
I can't do that. Put up a Mighty Car Mods banner without a ladder.
Yeah, no ladders. Just gotta tippy toe a little bit.
We're back. We're gonna be working on this thing again. We're gonna make it loud because right now it's not, and we're gonna make my car not loud because right now it is.
Jack the seat post up all the way on a bicycle,
to get that good leg extension on the down pedal. Yeah. Speaking of the seat post, there's my seat.
Yep.
It's the gold one.
Mine's on the left. Yeah.
Pink one?
Yeah.
Pink and blue?
All the way on the left.
The High School Musical bike,
yeah.
which will eventually be a drift trike.
Drift trike? Really?
Yeah, gas powered drift trike. Yeah, the motors are right
Those
there.
eBay motors work out pretty well.
What eBay motors?
For like a bicycle attachment. Because I looked up how they did it. It's actually very sketchy. Like I wouldn't trust it. But
what do you mean?
Well, it's just a shitty little 2-stroke motor, and then
you're talking about the gas ones. No, yeah, those things are stupid.
The way you attach it to the
It's just rubber, it's just fucking rubber and crank it down.
Thing, just
yeet and skeet and send it.
It's gonna put a ton of pressure on the spokes, but don't worry, that's the whole point.
So yeah, today I'm gonna put my scuba tank back in.
It's enormous.
It's a secondary cat and resonator.
Oh, it's built in?
Yeah. So putting that back in because I'm tired of the rice baby. And then you're putting the cutouts in. Controllers.
Little button, the very long cable.
And there it be. This will make you go brap brap. Beep beep.
It makes you lose 10 horsepower.
Yeah?
There's no back pressure, bro. You need back pressure for a naturally aspirated car. It's just how it works, It's obviously every car is just like the 70s with a carburetor. Like there's no such thing as computers, that compensate. But no. We need back pressure and exhaust.
Yeah.
You don't know that.
Yeah.
You wouldn't know that.
Yeah. That's why it runs a 2.5-inch exhaust.
Exactly.
Because it's back pressure
back
for
pressure.
a 4-liter.
Yeah, exactly. It needs back pressure.
Yeah.
Go on those IS300 pages. You'll know.
So here's the situation we got going on here. Got the cherry bomb. So at first I had the 2.25-inch pipe that was way too loud. So then I cut it and I welded the cherry bomb on it. So now I'm putting back the scuba tank resonator cat thing because it's just way too loud and I'm just annoyed of it. And then eventually I'll get a catback exhaust that's just straight through so it won't be so loud because the resonator will stay. So I'm just going to sawzall it off right here, hang that thing back up, and just weld it back on. I want to see what it sounds like without anything. You ready? That's pretty awesome. That's like a fucking rally car. When I do cutouts, I'm gonna put it right there. That was close.
You broke a disc, didn't you?
What?
That was dangerous.
Yeah, that broke a disc. Ooh, baby. How thick that pipe is. There's 2 pipes overlapping, so yeah, that shit took forever.
It's fun.
Hey, you want this?
No.
Here, you can cherry bomb your car. I got the pipe somewhere where I need it. This will have to move later. I'm gonna try to tack this in now.
This is a homage beat.
My exhaust out and all my welds broke off. Here's the other end. At least they're kind of like markings now where I should weld. This boy is making fucking jet engines over here. Yeah.
It's a mortar and pestle.
The fuck is that?
It's how you like grind up herbs and like food and shit.
Oh yeah.
That's how you make guacamole.
Oh okay. I'm all done welding. Crazy what a difference a better welder makes. Let's see what this guy is doing with his metallurgy. You're busy making jet engines.
Yeah, we were supposed to.
I'm telling you, bro, hit it with some heat.
Um,
You're not doing shit.
yeah.
It's still completely the same size.
Except this one. This one's alright.
Oh, there you go. That's what you want. Why is it taking so long for the other ones?
I don't fucking know. Because they're just bending back in. They're making rectangles instead of circles.
Oh,
So,
shit, son.
once again, I am asking for your assistance.
Yeah.
Wait, how's that go? Once again, I'm asking for your financial support.
I am once again asking for your financial support.
Once again, I am asking for your mechanical expertise.
Dude, I got no expertise. I got hit it till it works.
My hands never been more sore since
Really?
I was like 13. And I found out about masturbation. Pretty cool, right?
You were a masturbator?
What a life, right? Dude, every 13-year-old kid must be so happy. You know, they just touch it wrong one day, they go, huh,
Oh.
you should go do this everywhere. You know, in class, fucking, in the car.
Dude, have you watched Big Mouth?
Yeah, I haven't. That was
Dude, you have to watch. That's exactly about that, dude.
It's just about finding out about masturbation and coming of age.
Yeah, it's exactly what it is.
Huh.
And everybody gets their own puberty monster.
It's creepy.
Dude, it's so good.
Dude, the
Watch
creators-
Big Mouth. It's fucking hilarious. I'm gonna throw a clip in here, and hopefully I don't get copyright strike.
Do sex on a lady, but I'm not really sure I can make my peanut puke like a baby.
Alright, it's like 2 hours later, I think. I don't know how long it's been. Bad news. I welded this on upside down somehow. This lines up, and this is up against the floor, so it doesn't fit. And we got the turbine jet engines on, and as you can see, they hang really low. They hang so low.
Very bad idea.
This is very bad. But we're gonna start it up and see if it makes any sort of difference when you turn it on and off. So,
Well, let me know if this is actually.
okay. Do
I don't
something.
know- I don't know what A or B is.
Do something. They're closed. Hey! They opened! That's so sick!
Are you ready?
Yeah. It's not that leaky. Oh, that got so much louder. It works a little.
As long as we weld it in, it'll be fine.
Yeah, once we weld it, I'll close. But the problem is, everything's so rusty. I don't know if we can even get the exhaust off. Did the best I could. Welding this. I can't see anything above it, so I just did one side for now. He's got to get these bolts off the exhaust because they're completely rusted out. So once he gets those off, cuts them off or whatever, gets new bolts, gets new gaskets, we're gonna come back. Since everything's welded intact, we can just pull it off, weld everything, throw it back on. It won't take long, and it'll be good. Damn, look at that sunset though. Holy shit.
Yeah, I just want to make it out.
Yo, but you know what I want to do?
Oh, I wanted to go to Ram Ranch, but...
This is catalytic converter, secondary catalytic converter, and resonator. No exhaust after like this point. And I kind of like it. It's quiet enough. And then when you rev it out, it sounds like sporty. That's not bad. I think I'm just gonna keep it like this. I'm too lazy to weld the exhaust anyways. I don't want to weld it right now. I'm done. I'm done for tonight. I just want to watch the sunset. Look at that. It's beautiful. Moment of truth. Will this actually fit? Oh my god, it's so low. Oh yeah, I forgot you're still in stock suspension. You have like 8 inches of clearance.
It's not too bad.
That's not horrible.
I definitely can't lower my car now.
You know what's horrible? That's gonna be it for tonight. Thanks for watching, Ding Dongs.
Do you have your passport? Did you get your driver's